Yeah, I know recording the computer screen is never very good, but I just wanted to show this is the pinout of this cheap $10 motor controller. It's got the Hall inputs. Speed control is ZF. Nope, I'm lying. This is the forward and reverse. ZF is the forward and reverse. VR is the speed, 0 to 5 volts. You've got a ground and you've got a 5 volts out. It says in out, I don't know why. EL is motor run, VCC is stop, so I imagine that's for a handbrake. And signal out, I'm pretty sure you could get pulses out of that and change it to a tachometer. Okay, so this is used for the Halls down here, the 5 volts and the ground and Hall A, B, and C. And then the motor outputs A, B, and C, and the input voltage. So what I've got, and you can see it down there, is a little puppy all wired up with a 10K potentiometer and a little switch down there. I'm going to turn on my light, good, bad, or otherwise, and you can see the little tiny switch down there to change the direction of the motor run. And I did say I was going to film every time, my first time for doing anything, but I forgot, broke my own rule. Yes, I know this is kind of a pain in the butt watching me move everything around, but I ran it and then I remembered, oh God, I got to record it. So here we go. I'm recording again. I've got it turned down 0. You know, never mind. I'm not even going to get into stories. Okay, that's one direction. Flip the little switch. There we go in the other direction. Okay, so I'm going to disconnect it. Feel of it, see if anything's hot. I don't feel anything. Okay, so oh yeah, so this is 10 volt pack here, and that's a 5 volt pack, so I've got 15 volts running on it instead of last time I did a 36 volt, and the fourth time I ran it everything went up. Well, everything didn't go up in smoke. It's got a shunt resistor. What did I do? I took that thing outside. Anyway, that's in plenty of other videos. So this is a, what did I say, 8 magnets, 6 coils. It is air coils. There's no metal in the coils, and there's nothing on the magnets to, if you put a piece of metal on the back side of the magnets, it'll focus the magnetism more in the front side of it. Or a lot of people are using Hallback arrays now, which is great, but there is another step, another piece to this motor that we haven't gotten to yet. So let's run it again, see if we can get anything to smoke yet. That sounds really nice. Let's run it backwards, or the other direction. I need to hook up the amp meter and see what kind of current I'm drawing on this. That'll be for another video. So anyway, that's the first run of the brushless DC motor using the cheap $10 controller off of, I don't know if I got it on eBay or AliExpress. And this is what did I say? I already said 3D brushless. What's the word? Axial Flux. Okay, axial flux means the flux is running the same direction as the drive shaft, whereas a regular axial piston motor means the pistons are running in parallel with the drive shaft. So I learned that the other day when I was trying to figure out how to spell it. Okay, so there we are.